Merits and demerits of social media. Social media has become an integral part of modern life, offering numerous merits alongside significant demerits. On the positive side, it connects people across the globe instantly, enabling students to stay in touch with friends and family, share educational resources, and participate in online learning communities that enhance knowledge. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube provide access to news, tutorials, and motivational content, fostering creativity and awareness on global issues such as environmental conservation. However, the demerits are equally concerning. Excessive use leads to addiction, reducing productivity, and affecting academic performance as students often prioritize scrolling over studies. It also exposes users to cyberbullying, fake news, and privacy risks, where personal information can be misused by strangers. Moreover, constant comparison with others' curated lives breeds low self-esteem and mental health issues like anxiety. In essence, while social media empowers communication and information sharing, responsible usage is crucial to mitigate its harmful effects. থ্যাংকস ফর ওয়াচিং। ABTA 2025-26 বাকি রাইটিংগুলো আমার চ্যানেলের প্লেলিস্টে পেয়ে যাবে। অ্যান্ড ডোন্ট ফরগেট টু লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব। থ্যাংক ইউ।